This chart explains a binary options trend continuation strategy for call trades using the Euro-USD pair. The market is clearly in an uptrend, shown by the series of higher highs and higher lows, and confirmed by the rising green trend line. The main idea of this strategy is not to chase the price, but to patiently wait for a pullback toward the trend line. Each time price pulls back and touches or comes close to the trend line, traders wait for the first strong green candle to close, which signals that buyers are stepping back into the market. That candle close is marked as the call entry point. The arrows on the chart show multiple examples where price respected the trend line and continued upward after the entry. The recommended expiry time is between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on how strong the pullback is and the time frame being traded. The target is simply the next higher high, following the overall bullish momentum. This strategy works best in strong, clean trends and requires patience, discipline, and confirmation before entering a trade. A binary options support and resistance strategy using real market data on the USD-Euro 5-minute timeframe. The key concept is that price often reacts strongly at major support and resistance zones due to supply and demand. The green zone at the bottom represents strong support, where buyers enter the market. When price reaches the support area and forms a bullish reaction candle, it shows rejection of lower prices. At that moment, a call trade is placed, expecting price to move higher, with a recommended expiry of around 15 minutes, as shown in the green expiry zone. On the other side, the red zone at the top represents strong resistance, where selling pressure is high. When price moves up into this resistance and forms a bearish reaction candle, it signals rejection of higher prices. This is the confirmation to enter a put trade, expecting price to fall within the expiry window. The red expiry zone highlights how price moves downward after the entry. This strategy focuses on waiting for clear price rejection, not entering blindly, and works best when support and resistance levels are clearly respected by the market. A binary options strategy using RSI confirmation on the 5-minute Euro-USD timeframe. The main focus is identifying overbought and oversold market conditions and then entering trades when price reacts. When price moves strongly upward and the RSI rises above the 70 level, the market becomes overbought, meaning buyers may be exhausted. At this point, a bearish reversal candle appears, confirming selling pressure, and this is where the put entry is taken. The expectation is that price will close lower than the entry level by the time the expiry is reached, which is marked by the red vertical line. On the opposite side, when price drops sharply and the RSI falls below the 30 level, the market is oversold, indicating strong selling exhaustion. As soon as a bullish reaction candle forms, it confirms buyers are stepping back in. This is the signal to place a call trade, expecting price to move higher. The green vertical line marks the expiry, where the goal is a higher close than the entry price. This strategy works best in clear market swings, combines price action with RSI confirmation, and requires patience to wait for both indicator and candle confirmation before entering a trade. A binary options moving average strategy using the Euro-USD 1-minute timeframe. The main tool in this strategy is the 50-period simple moving average, which helps identify the overall market direction. When price stays above the moving average, the market is considered to be in an uptrend, and the focus is only on call trades. A call entry is taken after price pulls back slightly and then continues moving upward, with a typical expiry time of 1 to 5 minutes. This aligns the trade with bullish momentum and trend direction. When price moves below the moving average, the market shifts into a downtrend and the strategy switches to put trades only. A put entry is taken when price retraces and then continues downward under the moving average, again using a short expiry of 1 to 5 minutes. The chart also shows confirmation tools like RSI and MACD, where RSI above 50 supports call trades and RSI below 50 supports put trades. Overall, this strategy is about trading in the direction of the trend, avoiding counter-trend entries, and using short expiries to capture quick momentum moves in the market. A 5-minute binary options price action strategy based on candlestick reversal patterns on the Euro-USD pair. The strategy focuses on identifying strong market reactions using pin bars and engulfing candles, which signal potential reversals. When a bullish pin bar or bullish engulfing candle appears after a downward move, it shows rejection of lower prices and indicates that buyers are taking control. This is the signal to enter a call trade, expecting price to move higher with a typical expiry time of 5 minutes, marked by the green dashed line. On the opposite side, when price moves upward and forms a bearish pin bar or bearish engulfing candle, it signals rejection of higher prices and a possible reversal to the downside. This confirms a put trade entry, expecting price to close lower by the expiry time, shown with the red dashed line. The chart highlights multiple examples where price reacts clearly to these patterns before moving in the expected direction. This strategy relies purely on price action, works best in clean market conditions, and requires patience to wait for strong candle confirmation before placing a trade. Breakout strategy on the EUR/USD 5-minute timeframe, focusing on consolidation and volume confirmation. First, price moves sideways between a clearly defined support level and resistance level, forming a consolidation zone where buyers and sellers are in balance. During this phase, no trades are taken. The key is to wait patiently for price to break out of this range with strong momentum. When a strong bullish breakout candle closes above the resistance level and is supported by high trading volume, it confirms that buyers have taken control. This is the signal to enter a call trade, expecting price to continue moving higher. The target expiry is usually 5 to 15 minutes, depending on the strength of the breakout and the time frame. Conversely, if a strong bearish candle breaks below the support level with high volume, it signals selling dominance and triggers a put trade. This strategy avoids false signals by combining price structure, breakout confirmation, and volume, making it effective in markets preparing for strong directional moves. A binary options breakout strategy using a call trade example on the Euro-USD 5-minute timeframe. First, price moves sideways between a clearly marked support level and resistance level, forming a consolidation zone where the market has no clear direction. During this phase, no trades are taken, and the focus is on waiting patiently. The key moment happens when a strong bullish breakout candle closes clearly above the resistance level. This breakout candle is supported by a visible volume spike, which confirms that buyers have entered the market with strength and the breakout is likely real, not false. Once this breakout candle closes above resistance, the call entry is placed at the close of that candle. The expectation is that price will continue moving higher after breaking out of consolidation. A short-term expiry, usually between 5 and 15 minutes, is then selected based on the strength of the breakout and market speed. This strategy emphasizes discipline, waiting for confirmation, and avoiding early entries. By combining consolidation, breakout structure, and volume confirmation, it helps traders enter high-probability call trades during strong upward momentum.